Hello, my name is Ken. Welcome to the second video in the series of how to plot a cadastral plan using Autocad. In this video, we are going to look at how to extract our points or our coordinates into the Excel sheet. So I'll first open my Excel file. I already have those coordinates open, so I'll only start them. So we are going to give captions to our Excel sheet. You'll name the first column as our Eastern, or you can name it as any way that you want it, like East, Eastern, North. You're also going to give ID or descriptions. These are going to be the SGA part. That's going to take this part, the ID, the SGA. It's going to describe the point or the coordinates for all the points. So that will be our ID section. I'll minimize it this way and that. So I'll be doing copy and paste to save time. So taking our first point, which is SGA, I'll simply copy, then paste it here. Now I'll pick the Eastern, which is this part, and paste it there. And I'll as well as copy the northern and paste it there. Let me open it up. Now we move on to our second point, which is also a control station. As I said earlier on in the first video, we are simply doing copy and paste, copy and paste. You can also type, you can also pause the video and type them in your Excel file if you want to carry out the work along. So we've gotten our second. Oh, this should come here. That's our northern, and this should rather go there. That's our eastern. Now we move on to our third point. So we took 5 points on the field and 2 control points. So basically we are going to insert 7 points in the Excel file. So our eastern or our third point, our northern for our third point, now we go on to pillar number 4. And also for the descriptions, you can name them, you can input them anyhow, or you can go by it alphabetically, but it wouldn't still affect the way because they've all got descriptions. So you copy our eastern, northern. Now we move on to our next point, which is point 2. You copy our description, eastern, I should have even paused this video whilst I do this alone because it's taking so much of our time. All the same, let's go through it to give us a fair idea of how we get our data into the Excel file. We are going to move very smoothly over here. And there's so there's our eastern, northern as usual, I'm having problems in copying. Okay, corrected. So we are now on our final point, which is point 5. Okay, easting northern. Okay. So that's the data into our Excel file. Let me open it up a bit so that you'll be able to see everything. So we have our eastings, our east, our north, our northerns, and our ID or our descriptions. Now, in order for the AutoCAD to be able to pick these values from our Excel file, you have to save it as a comma separated value or as an CSV rather, comma delimited separated value. So you go to save as type. There will be a list of ways to save it. Now you go through and save it as comma delimited CSV. So you choose this, you give a name to it. Now we are going to save it in the desktop folder named AutoCAD tutorials. Then I'll make it as points. You can choose any other name. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm naming it as points. So it will be saved. It will show up this. You simply click on OK, yes. So you can now minimize or you can close it. Now we will end this part here. In our next series or in the next video, we are going to look at how to pick these points into our AutoCAD software. See you then.